So today I'm doing POV. Quick little POV of the SCAT. Nice beautiful day. Get y'all some content type shit. Today we have the SCAT. This is how the outside look. It's dirty. Don't mind it. Everything coming new. Beginning of next month. January is just a start. Don't worry about it. This is the shit. I'm gonna get new everything. I might black these out. Shit, put some tint on it. Get some tips. Get some tips for my shit. You know it. Then I need some new rims. Just wearing them out now. New windshield. The tents for the windows, darker. You might see a new logo on here. Same thing, rotors, pads. This coming off soon. Might take the badges off. Should I take the badges off? And what color should I do my lights? Then I get my sticker too. More parking. The inside. Got my snacks and shit. You know, it's a little dirt. You feel me? A little dirt. Feel me? I'm gonna keep it 100 right now. Cause it ain't the weekend. My car ain't crazy fucked up. Let's get that correct though. Shit. I got snacks everywhere type shit. Niggas know it's time for this all type of shit. Man, that shit in this. It's a POV. This is a POV hood SCAT. Right now. We got mad shit, so probably Saturday get my shit done. Inside the seats. I might change the seats and especially my hats. Something slight for y'all, you know. So I'm in my shorts too. With the long johns on, for me. You know, it's just charger on that bit. For me. And you get me started on the motherfucking trunk. There's mad shit back here and shit. I need to get my seats. My seats are fucked up right now. Niggas just been working. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about. Feel me? Everybody have their bad days. When I have time to do that bitch. The trunk is crazy. I had to do this over the weekend. You know you gotta get some extra clothes just in case for me to spill something. Got a armrest, trash bag, and shit. All your toolbox, I need to organize this. Probably do this Thursday and get out of work, my other job. But nothing crazy though. This shit. Same thing, get everything new. Patiently waiting. Told you I'm coming with bangers. Y'all wanna hear it? Another thing too, this logo right here, it'll be something different. I'll probably do another POV too. I'm washing my car type shit. And what tires should I get? Should I get like 285s on them tires? I think these are 275s. I want my shit. I just got mad shit coming for y'all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for your boy. POV of the hood SCAT Central. Feel me? I can get y'all all the content, the real exclusive shit. How niggas be living. Niggas be grinding too. Always good grind, man. Don't give up. But yeah, I might paint my burn rolls. I'll just keep them. It depends on my rap. Something crazy, something different. But now I'm getting new everything next month. I should be in the clear. But yeah, we'll get shit started though. Feel me? Grind don't stop. Glow SCAT 617. Subscribe, like, man. Hit that notification button, man. You feel me? And get crazy. Another thing, take a shot.